Electrical connections can be labeled with many different voltage ratings, from 125 to 250 volts, and even all the way up to 600 volts. While those are pretty standard, things can get a little more complicated when you throw the term three-phase in front of that. So what does that mean exactly? Let's start with single-phase 250 volt connections. Despite single meaning one, single-phase 250 volt connections will have two hot wires, X and Y. Each hot wire is 125 volts. X to Y creates 250 volts. This is single-phase. A lot of people think this is two-phase, when in fact two-phase does not exist. Phase does not stand for the number of hots. Since two-phase doesn't exist, we move on to three-phase. Three-phase can have 4 to 5 prongs in use, almost all of them hots except for the ground. So 4-prong three-phase would have 3 hots and a ground, while 5-prong three-phase would have 3 hots and a ground, but also neutral. Three-phase means there are 3 different connections possible to achieve 250 volts. X to Y, Y to Z, and X to Z. These 3 connections are what give it the term three-phase. Again, the phase number does not reflect the number of hot wires present. So if you have a connection that you're not sure if it's single phase or three-phase, or you're just not sure at all what the voltage rating is for your connection, please leave us a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.